So I'm going to talk about the general overview of the immune response. So the first step is when you go to the doctor and you get a vaccine, and that vaccine has an antigen that has live or dead microbes that do not cause diseases but stimulate the immune response. And then we go to innate immunity, which is when, the second step, the antigen stimulates inflammation and it makes the dendritic cell take up the antigen, and then the dendritic cell will know what the antigen is and know that the antigen is dangerous. Then the dendritic cell with the antigen will go through the lymph vessel and into the lymph node, which is where it starts adaptive immunity. So in the lymph node, there's the CD4 plus T helper cell that helps recognize the antigen and becomes activated. After the dendritic cell sends this signal that the antigen is dangerous to the T helper cell, it'll like proliferate and have like clones of itself. Then it can go into two routes, either humoral or cell-mediated immunity. So we're going to talk about humoral. So this is outside of the cell. The T cell will interact with B cells. Sorry, T helper cell will interact with the B cell and send a signal that says like, oh, the antigen is dangerous to the B cell, and the B cell will then proliferate and then it makes clones of itself. After that, it can differentiate into plasma cells or memory B cells. So memory B cells will stay in like the body until the antigen shows up again and then kill the antigen. And then the plasma cells will secrete antibodies that destroy the microbe. And these are like the antibodies, and this is the microbe. And then next, going back to like this, right? It can go to cell-mediated immunity, which is inside of the cell. And that's when the CD8 cytotoxic cell gets a signal from the T helper cell that the antibody is dangerous, or not the antibody, the antigen is dangerous, and the cytotoxic T cells will proliferate and make clones of itself, and then it will differentiate into either memory T cells or cytotoxic effector cells. The cytotoxic effector cells will then circulate around the body and kill the microbes inside of the cell. And that's it.